Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Then again 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now minus 4 multiply minus 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So what's the correct answer? Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, A means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, M means addition, and S means subtraction. Here is a multiplication and division both have equal priority, then addition and subtraction also have equal priority. Okay. So according to the rule, first priority is P means parenthesis. First we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 5. Solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Is equal to 1 minus 4. Second priority is multiplication. Okay. Minus 4 multiply minus 5 is equal to 1 plus minus minus plus 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20. So 1 plus 20 is equal to 21. So the correct answer is 21. Okay. If you like this problem, please do not forget to subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.